Hello again, folks. I'm playing some Battlefield 1. I actually haven't played this for a while with the with the sound up, which makes a big difference, because I'm normally playing YouTube streams in the background while I play, so I don't normally these days get to hear the audio as intended. So this is going to be fun. I'm just going to blow off some steam, because I've been doing some business stuff, lots of business stuff lately. I just fucking killed that guy with a pistol. How the fuck? I'm trying to start my own business. It started out as trying to start just like an art business, but actually I've turned it into trying to make a retail high street shop, which was something I've been trying to make happen for a long time, and it's pretty stressful, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not actually sure if I'm gonna be able to get it going before Christmas. I'm trying to anyway. God, I miss using voice chat on here. Someone's getting roasted by one of my grenades, at least. Do I have C4? I've got C4. Don't know if I'll be able to get close enough to this guy. Ah, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Oh, I came up behind him. I thought he was waiting for me to come around the front of him. That's kind of funny. Medic! I can call for medic now because I'm using my mic for once. You don't hear people talking as much these days on BF1. I keep getting that damn advert. Oh, we can take a tank? What tank should we take? Squad support. Yeah. I keep getting that damn advert at the start of BF1 for me to buy BF5, because it added like a Pacific World War II add-on. And I'm like, no. I saw Matty Ace playing the trailer, and he's been playing a few levels of it. It still looks as bad as it always was. I'm not into it, not at all. BF1 for the win. I actually quite miss Desert Combat, but just no one's played that. I used to be on the closed internal beta. I'm not sure if you can call it an internal beta if everyone wasn't actually in the same office. Is that how it works? But it was so fun playing the beta of Desert Combat, the Desert Storm mod for Battlefield 1942. That was so fun. There's packed servers on that. Yeah, I miss that. I miss the fact that those earlier BF games don't get filled up anymore, as far as I know. But BF1 was pretty good. There haven't been many games like BF1. God, how do you aim this fucking cannon? This isn't like the one on the small tank. The arc's different, I swear. I love this kind of cannon though. Yeah, so my headaches with the... Hello? Pop your head out. My headaches with the business lately have been dealing with leases and solicitors and all sorts of shit like that, trying to get like loans and deal with the council stuff and registering your business and shit like that. It's a pain in the ass, mainly because you phone people and they just don't get back to you. They just don't. And then you phone them back later and they're like, oh, not much has happened since you last phoned. And then it moves by like inches every 2 weeks. Only a small thing has been achieved. Like you're phoning estate agents and you're phoning council people and you're phoning business bank people and... Oh, can I drop... What can I drop from this tank? I can drop, yeah, I can drop ammo and health. Someone's gonna shoot me in a minute if I'm not careful. That guy's probably an assault, isn't he? Is he an assault? Come here. Shit. Where is he? Where's this guy? I don't like this. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
We have taken objective.
What the fuck was that? That's an actual tank or something. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's not a tank. He's on the fucking field gun up there. Ah, I've got a repair chance here. I'm gonna repair. I miss the sounds on this. I just haven't heard the sounds as intended for ages. Just got into a habit for a long time of just playing streams on my YouTube watch list, my BitChute watch list, while I have the volume down quite low and I just play this essentially on mute. But the sound design is really good in this game, so it's kind of doing it a disservice by playing it that way. Die, you scum! No, did I not get anyone? Come here.
You see him? Shock trooper.
Wait. One of these might have an AT gun. Where are they? They're all down that fucking tube down there. Can I line myself up with that trench? Or is there someone else that might come up and flank me? Yeah, I wanna line myself up with this trench. Is that the trench that they were in? Probably, because that's D-flag, isn't it? Hello? Hello? Oh, fuck! Ah! Did I just hate that? Sometimes the rounds are so short in BF1, the defeat or the victory screen just impede your fun. This is fun though. 777! That's the magic number. Well, I guess 7,000 if you're talking about my username. And I miss hearing the music on the end here as well. This is nice. Nice. Oh, I should treat my limpet addiction soon. What have I got? No, not ready yet. I've got 730. A lot of these are just 800 for some reason. What's that? I don't think I've got that. Is that any good? Hohenzollern. Oh god, some German word that I don't actually know. It's a blue skin for the IMG. And now I'm down to 430. That's great. So, oh, we're on this map. Okay, so I wanted to... I haven't used the Lewis gun in a while. I used to love the Lewis gun when I started out with BF1. I'm going to go back to it now. Because then I get to sorry, not cure my limpet addiction, just kind of feed it. Does anyone watch Hannibal? The TV series of Hannibal? It's really good. I've been watching it with Natalie and it's really fun to revisit. When I first heard about it, I thought I wouldn't like it because it looked like one of those shows where they were gender swapping all the main characters, you know, turning male characters into women and this and that. But it's actually really good. I actually don't mind what they've done, turning some male characters into women and things like that. Swapping the circumstances that different characters are in. It's actually done really well, and it does pay a lot of tribute. Where are we going? D? Pays a lot of tribute to the books, which I have a couple of, and the films, which I've seen all of. I do prefer the Anthony Hopkins Red Dragon to the, I think it's Michael Mann's Manhunter version of Red Dragon, though. But the book is better.
We control all objectives.
This conversation is only really for Hannibal fans at the moment, I guess, so sorry if I'm boring you. Oh, you bastard. I should have tap fired to begin with, god damn it. Yeah, so with Red Dragon, there have been so many adaptations now. There have been like 4 adaptations or more. I love the Will Graham character who's trying to catch Hannibal. I'm glad they didn't gender swap him, but I love what they've done with his character in the TV series. They've got him like so perfect. But nobody seems to want to do the ending for him that's in the book, which I think is the best ending. In the actual Thomas Harris original book of Red Dragon, Will Graham's like on this beach and he gets into like a knife fight in a beach hut with the Red Dragon serial killer, Francis Dolarhyde, and I think he essentially loses, or maybe it's like a Pyrrhic victory and he wins, but he's terribly disfigured. And it just kind of ends after that with him laying in a hospital bed, staring at a clock, just disfigured by this serial killer. And I always thought that was like this kind of disturbing, horrifying end. Like, it's not a happy ending like you'd get in Hollywood for Will Graham. It just kind of ends like that, you know. He finally got killed by all the people he was trying to catch, and it was not pretty in the end. But every adaptation has had its own version of that ending. All of them are different. It's really strange. Like, everyone's like shying away from showing the actual ending or something. I don't know. Enough Hannibal talk. I'm not actually getting any frags, I'm just kind of chatting shit and wandering around listening to the sounds. Okay, D, we need C. I'm being useless to my team right now.
We have lost objective Duff.
Maybe I can get an order, then it'll make it easier. Where's my friggin...
We have lost objective Charlie.
Do we have an order? I don't know. I don't like this. My keyboard's ill-placed. Where are they? There's someone down there. There's someone down there. There's someone... Oh, did he get fragged? A teammate fragged him. That's cool. There's so many snipers over there. I remember that. There were tons of snipers down. Fuck. Where's that coming from? Ah! No! Bastard! Yeah, I'm gonna gas myself. Have a limpet. Have a limpet! I didn't actually kill anyone with that. Oh, I actually killed someone that time. Fuck. That guy's not gonna get my bullets unless I take my gas mask off. Hey, there's a... There's someone on the mortar here. Hi! Get fucked! No! Don't run away! Fuck. Okay, I got him in the end. I got him in the end. I wanted to knife him though. What kind of... What is this? Like a machete? I don't like this because this thing is always in the way. I guess if you zoomed in you can see a little bit, but if you zoomed out, you can't fucking aim with that. I know it's meant to protect you from bullets. I don't know how actually useful it is at doing that job, but I think there's someone down there. Come on. Come on.
Munition, here!
Munition! Come on. There's someone there.
Losing objective Duff.
Oh, found you. It's a fucking sentry! I'm not gonna survive against that.
All objectives.
Damn. Oh, he didn't see me. I could have friggin' snuck up on him and knifed him, I guess. If I knew it was a sentry earlier. I didn't figure it out straight away. Fuck. He's over there, I think. He's still over there. I can gas a sentry, can't I? Gas is great against sentries. I've just got to place my gas grenade quite well, though. Where is he? Is that him? Yeah, get... Oh, I didn't think I did it. Nah, I've given myself away now. No! That gun they've got. That type of sentry. That's a superior gun. Fuck. Okay. Drop me on Rang Baz.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Nope. Okay, drop me on Salt. Have they dealt with the sentry yet? Is he dealt with?
Position, sich auf die Granate!
Come on, those were some critical hits.
Hat jemand Munition bestellt?
Here, you drop that and I'll drop
Hier,
this.
Munition.
Don't care. Friggin'
We have taken objective Charlie.
Das ist gut, ja. Oh. Hi, do you want one of them? Have a tasty ammo set for Christmas. Who's shooting? There's someone here. Surely. No? Okay.
Munition.
I thought I was being descended on. I mean, ascended on. Because they'd be coming
Hier,
upstairs.
frische Munition.
They're gonna grenade spam us, aren't they? Dudes. Let's gas it. They're gonna grenade spam us. Right, what's out here? There's a bomb. Oh, I got someone! Ah, my limpet addiction has been
Losing objective Duff.
continued. I've continued my limpet addiction. Are there any enemies down there? Are they just spamming through the corridor?
Frische Munition.
I'm gonna put my gas mask on again. Respam. Fuck! Fuck! Get off me! No! Right, I'm low. Am I low? Why am I squad leader? Alright, go over there. Get to E! There, I've just yelled at my squad via microphone, which I haven't done in a while.
We have lost objective.
Here, have one of them. You want one? Have one. There's probably someone in the smoke there, I imagine.
Braucht jemand Munition?
Or can we just gas the smoke? If there's someone hiding in it, they can also have some gas. Ooh, what's up here? Anyone up here? Have a limpet. I'm gonna take this flag. Some more. Yes! Good on you,
Taking
chaps.
objective Edward.
D!
Erobert das Ziel.
Is there someone actually down there? What? I think I hear a flame trooper. I hear a flame trooper and I don't like it. Aha! Hello! Get fucked. Just peep over the edge in time to see that guy get shot in the face. Oh god, yes. Controlling recoil. Always forget to do that! He's got the IMG. He outgunned me with that fucking thing. For sure. How are we doing? They're losing as fuck. We're on 847. What's the team balance like? They're only 2 players over. It must just be a skill imbalance, not an actual team imbalance. Have an ammo. Whoever's near. Where the... It's gonna be! Salt! Salt is near B. Season that flag. Should I, is there anyone here to worry about? Might be. What's this? Can I get my mortar, please? Fuck! I don't want to be here. Okay, what? I've got a grenade. Give me a grenade. Someone's saying dead server. I disagree. Yes! Yes! No! Medic! I got a fucking kill assist. That must be the gas. There's a guy lying in the dirt there with his blue non-camouflage Frenchy uniform. Ah, do I have to run from A? I think that's a long way, isn't it? I think this is probably what I want to do. Fuck! Who's here? I thought I chucked that limpet mine, but I don't think I chucked the limpet mine. I don't think I clicked fast enough. Dude, I'm not going to spawn on you over there. Who is that?
We control all objectives.
Nice, 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 nice. E, we'll lose knee. Good game. I drop ammo, what you talking about? Jeez, Rangbaz. Rangbaz is having a go saying someone's not dropping ammo. He's on my squad, but it ain't me. I dropped so much ammo, you saw me, right? Fucking Rangbaz.